Hello, and welcome to Principal BMW of San Antonio's Maintenance Showdown. I'm your host, Albert Saenz. Today, you're going to get to witness an intense competition between some of the best technicians at the largest BMW dealership in North America, located deep in the heart of San Antonio, Texas. You'll get to see the craftsmanship of our factory-trained technicians using genuine BMW parts and approved products. One of the many reasons why servicing your BMW at our dealership is the way to go. Before we get started on the fun, let's meet your contestants. In this contest, each technician will be tasked with completing a full oil change service of their choice. Principal BMW of San Antonio offers 3 options when it comes to your oil service. You are getting to see a showcase of our standard, premium, and ultimate oil service on full display. And as always, each oil service option includes a courtesy video multi-point inspection that is sent to our guests so they can see the exact condition of their vehicle, conveniently sent via text message. Our technicians are going to be graded by an esteemed panel of judges. Judge number 1, with over 10 years experience with BMW, a master level technician, and BMW of San Antonio shop foreman, Bo Krantz. Judge number 2, with many years working for Principal BMW San Antonio as a service porter, assistant service manager, and now service manager, Mohammed Damour. Judge number 3, award-winning assistant service manager, and now our transportation manager, overseeing our entire fleet of courtesy vehicles, Maggie King. Judges, it's great to see you today. Thank you so much for being here. My first question for Maggie. Maggie, what are you looking for out of today's competitors?
Well, Albert, today I'm looking for efficiency and a quality video inspection. It's important that they showcase their attention to detail.
I couldn't agree more, Maggie. Now it's time to get this contest started. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go! So it looks like Technician 1 has decided to perform our standard oil service. This vehicle is being treated with a new, genuine BMW oil filter and fresh BMW oil for their engine. Technician 2 has chosen our premium oil service. Not only is he changing the oil and the filter, but he is also adding our dealer-recommended performance additive intended to enhance the synthetic oil as a preventative treatment to reduce internal engine wear. Finally, Technician 3 is completing our ultimate oil service. As our most comprehensive and preventative oil service on our menu, this vehicle is being treated with an additive before the oil is drained to help flush internal carbon buildup inside of the engine. Once we replenish the vehicle with the new oil, it also receives our performance additive to enhance performance. Each of our oil services are competitively priced, making us a one-stop shop for all of your mechanical repairs and maintenance needs. Check this out if you haven't already heard. Vehicles over the age of 5 years or 60,000 miles qualify to enroll in a special promotion for 3 years of standard oil services for only $199. Don't pass up this great deal and inquire with our service department today. Let's check in with our judges to get their thoughts on the challenge so far. Bo, my next question's for you. What have you been impressed with today?
Take a look at Technician 2. Great technique in the courtesy multi-10-point inspection. Quality inspection of the brake pads, the tire tread depth, the wear patterns, the suspension components, as well as visual fluid leaks on both the engine bay and undercarriage. Really like what I'm seeing here.
All right, Maggie. What is something our guests are not seeing here in the oil service that they receive at Principal BMW of San Antonio?
Well, Albert, so many more guests can take advantage of our value service options for qualifying vehicles. Simply check the service specials on our website and see if your vehicle qualifies. With our service financing options giving more flexibility on payment and our complimentary pickup and delivery service within 25 miles, Servicing at Principal BMW of San Antonio has never been easier.
That's awesome. Well, it looks like everyone is finishing up. So upon completion, each of our technicians will take the vehicle to our state-of-the-art car wash for a courtesy wash and vacuum included with your service at Principal BMW of San Antonio. Our service advisors will notify these guests of ours that their vehicles are ready for pickup. Now over to our judges for their final vote on who the champion of the Principal BMW of San Antonio's Maintenance Showdown is. Reveal your winner. Well, there you have it, folks. Technician 2 walks away with the crown and the winner of the Golden Ratchet. So join us next time, and thank you for choosing Principal BMW of San Antonio. Have a great night.